Here I show you how to use iqt7 code to convert TGMS file to a root file. So first you need to download. You need to download this this is source code. Then you unpack the file and enter to the iq7 code and make it. Now it is clean. But if you if you make it clean and recompile it, then it will generate the executable binary file. So you see, you will have the code later. You will have the exe file later. So to install iq7 on your local computer, you need to install some library, especially the root library. So you have to install it. So then wait, you will see how it is look like. Okay, after you compile the code, you will have this one. This one is for convert IQ data, and this one is for converting the scalar data. Then you go to this folder. So let me go back a little bit. So you have an example file, and in this example file, I have copied one TTMS file here. So if you don't know how to run the code, you can just type this this one, and with this command, first it will print out information about usage of the iq7 code. So here is how to use it. You can run this one, for example, here. You just copy it here, then to no. Then you can copy it, how to say, you have to go back to iq7, then run it. That is. So it is very, very simple. And the meaning of each parameters is already given when you only type the exe code, the meaning of each parameters. I will explain to you the meaning of different parameters. So this is how you can run the iq7 code, how to run it. Then you just wait. Here you see that I only output frequency range from -100 to -80, and these parameters can be controlled, can be set in the parameters. And also here you can see the program update the histogram about every 1,200 frame. You can change these parameters. You can ask program to update about 248 frame, and also you can ask program to update the histogram at the end. So it depends on how you run the code, how you set parameters. And here the average number, it is 8. You can control this average number. You can change it to 1 or to change it to 4 and so on. So that is, basically it's very simple. So then totally 4,096 frame. Then you convert it, and that is. And after you convert all this one, you have a root file. So in this root file, you can see that two-dimensional histogram is here. So, and this range is -100 to -80. So if you want to convert a little bit wider range, for example, you want to see okay -500 to 500, then you here let me tell you more. Now you only type this command first, and in this command it will explain the meaning of different parameters. The meaning of different parameters. The first is frame step. So this is how many IQ samples per frame. Here, 1 corresponding to 1 times 2 power 18. And with the second parameter is window type, 0 corresponding to rectangular window. And the plot option, here I use 1, means do plot, means plot the result. And 0 means don't plot. You can switch off the spectrum on the screen. Then it's a frame per plot. Here the parameter is 1024 and FFT range. So this one control the frequency range you want to output. Here I set the minimum value it is -100 and the frequency beam width is 20. So this means you output frequency range from -100 to -80. Then it is the FFT1 and this average number. So if you want to change the, for example, the frequency range, you can change these parameters here. Okay, that is. If you have I suggest you try to install the program on your local computer and then convert it. And I strongly suggest you to read the code, try to understand how it works. And this will help you a lot.